There's a map drawn by hope on a fragile page. 17 stars to guide the age. It's a promise we made, a seed we sow for the future we choose and the world we our cities and communities safe and alive, with responsible ways to produce and survive. Now heed the great crisis, the climate's own plea. Protect life below and above the blue sea. For the forest, the ice, the whale and the bee are all vital threads in this tapestry. Oh, this is the garden we grow from the deepest of soils, where the new seedlings show. It's a world that is just, where the clear rivers flow. society.